2:16 a.m. and Mother's Day. That's my happiness. Yan, thank you dito. Tabi tayo na. Thank you.
Alak yan. Yung matapakan ko.
Ayun pala. Ay, thank you, ate. Si Mickey Mouse ng taong Mickey Mouse grasa. Ang dungis.
Dito. Wala ko na mag-realize dito yung
Yung isang diretso.
sa labas.
Yung isang diretso yung gano'n. Gulong na pag gano'n. Kaya mo na. Si Ria din.
Mag-bike.
Diba, si Ria, sabi ko sa'yo, binilang ko ng gulong. Nilagay ko sa patos. Kaya niya may yun nga lang
Pero yung
nasira.
blades, kahit yung isang direkta na ito lang. Yung ganun na.
Hindi.
Naapat lang. Ay! Yung anak ko. Nakaubo ako.
Kita ka sa camera.
Mas quiet naman ako ngayon. Hindi ako tuloy.
I-edit ko na lang. Oo. Kay Mumay to, oh.
Yun. Oh. Madumi yung sinasalda
Oo,
ng
dirty dyan. ah. Hip-hop yan tayo. Hip-hopan. Naka-white shoes.
Yung sapatos ka naman para madumi naman yung side na to.
Tulog pa sila, te? Si Aaron tulog pa? Ginising mo na, May? Ayaw magising?
Ako na, teka lang. Bagay yun dun sa binili ng jogging. Pero bagay rin yun. Kaso ano to, cotton? Mainit yan. Dapat yung sinusuot mo.
Pero yan, hindi ko dadala ng medyas.
Yung sakit pa niya.
May extra ka medyas, May? Pero ang mga seryoso. Saan mo nga sa wala? Ito ko siyang damit mamaya. Gusto mags.
O ano mo, nadaan ako. Kakaya muna, Jong. Mabilis lang naman to si Mumay.
Sige na.
Bakit na naman?
Hanap ng ano ma. Nagtan ko, papalitan ko siyang damit mami kasi ang dala ko sa kanya, yung lady. Palit ka na damit.
Meron dun paglalagpas ng bakery.
Ha?
Meron na, malayo eh. Kahit dyan, yung sa may takot sarado pa.
Mag ano ka, moisturizer. Sunblock. Ito oh, meron dito. Halika na, magpapalit ka.
But when Simba goes back to Pride Rock to face Star, Simba goes with him. No hesitation. And during the Battle of Pride Rock with hyenas everywhere and the kingdom on fire, Pumbaa stops.
Teka lang ako na iwan ko.
So the Racer Cat is full of good levels, and the Racer Cat is full of
Alam ko na
mostly
iwan ko,
bad
nandun pala
levels.
sa may ilalim. Halika na, mabilis. Ay, nandun na yung
Full
damo.
of good levels, and the Racer Cat is
Di, meron
full
mo
of
bang exam,
mostly
Mela?
bad levels. So if you think about it, the Racer Tab is just a bad feature tab, and it also changes every millisecond, so there's that. Not saying the entirety of the Racer Tab is bad, there should be a few bangers here and there. It's like pretty rare too, but I mean, it's
Tama
possible.
dun sa, tignan mo sa box,
Playing
yung
the
baka
Racer Tab
meron
is still
doon.
find a good level. The rules are simple, there's good
Hindi ako
level,
naglalagay ng
and decoration. And it can also be any duration, even if it is 1 second. And it must also not be copied. So like say for example, someone copied stinking Anubis. So that wouldn't count because it is a copy of it. We need original stuff here. So yeah, starts the challenge with Rabbit Factory by Ludo the Pro. Okay, so far, this does not look like good decoration, but I mean it could have good gameplay.
Ay, sleeper ka na lang. Ay, sleeper mo, oh. Ay,
Oh
sleeper
yeah,
mo.
pushing a couple of blocks. Wow, such winning gameplay. Oh my gosh, not this again. You know what, let's just move on to the next level. Refresh and Reach to My View by Shadow Soul Z. Oh, now do you guys know what I mean about the Reacher tab just being the worst version of the feature tab? Again, it's not all bad. You still find a few bangers here and there in the research. But people just refuse to make bangers for some reason. I want to go with the flow by Noel Burrell 1.
Uy, nakadress si ate. Close mo nga yun. Dress si ate.
Ganda naman yung mamaya.